I love the way you colored that.
Next, if the person whoever buys this one, will be so surprised. Ta-da, Mom. Hey, Mom.
I love it a lot. Hi, we're doing a little book reading today of a piece called Looking for Butterflies that I wrote and illustrated years ago about my first daughter, Stella's sister Autumn, and her friend
Hey,
Andy.
Mom.
My name's Honey, and this is Stella. And we're going to read you Looking for Butterflies.
That's my favorite part. Yes. Mushroom Planet, here I come.
This book takes place at St. Mark's Refuge,
Stinky old mushroom.
a beautiful place that has a lot of creatures. Some of them are caterpillar, ladybug, grasshopper, birds, praying mantis, dragonfly, turtle, frog, lizard, spider, butterfly. And every one of these creatures shows up in this book. So when you see it, let me know or call out whatever the animal is. The grasshopper represents joy and honor. The ladybug, luck and love. Caterpillars represent transformation. Praying mantis, peace and quiet. Dragonflies, magic and colors. Turtles, shelter and home. Frogs, hidden beauty and transition. Lizards, agility. Spiders, mystery. And butterflies, they represent all kinds of things. And they all show up in this book. The book takes place at St. Mark's, where there's a lighthouse. And the lighthouse is a beacon. It's literally a light that brings home ships when they're lost at sea in the dark. So this book has a lot of little symbols of looking for light and looking for butterflies. Autumn and Andy are the best friends. They play, make art, and talk. Today they're excited because they've decided to go on a nature walk. Part of this book, and in some versions the whole book, is monochromatic, and you color right on top of the black and white illustrations so that you can decorate them however you want. Then suddenly the sky grows dark. Plip plop comes the rain. Droplets tickle little toes. That's all right, they don't complain. Twirling an umbrella makes some splashy fun. But there won't be any butterflies until there is some sun. No one knows exactly why, but butterflies just like it when it's sunny and dry. Before too long, that drizzly shower dries, and it's time once more to find those butterflies.
I'm calling the butterflies.
Autumn sees feathered friends twittering in the trees. Andy wiggles her toes, giggling in the breeze.
Butterflies.
A polka-dotted ladybug circles through the air until she spots a place to rest. Right there. And when I read this for schools, the kids call out the animals, and when they see it, they say, "Ladybug, there's a ladybug." Shuffling, kicking, inspecting sand. Could this be a place for a butterfly to land? Andy looks up, Autumn looks down. They long for butterflies, and still none are found. The girls do discover many other things, growing from the ground or traveling with wings. finally they cry out, please come out and play. We'll make it an
I found the
official
butterflies.
butterfly holiday. Empty air, no reply. Two sad faces. Nothing flutters by. But wait. Look. Oh, something is landing right on Autumn's nose. A brilliant butterfly with wings like rainbows. Oh, what a thrill and utter delight. Delicate papery wings in flight.
Probably you can read this one.
Andy sits quietly gazing at colors flutter
Hey,
by.
Mom, you want to open this one? You can
Wait,
open it.
purple, red, blue, amazing. There are butterflies in bushes, butterflies in trees, drinking nectar from the flowers and dancing on their leaves.
Are you going to color with me?
I am, after the story.
Open the book,
Coasting,
Mom.
bouncing, floating on air. Now butterflies are everywhere. After looking and longing and then almost giving up, two joyful souls give thanks for such luck.
Mom.
Then, at the end of the book, there's 3 more illustrations that you can color and cut out and frame. Get your parents to frame, or if you're an adult, you can color it too and frame your beautiful artwork and send pictures. And if you'd like to find our website, you can find this book at honeyhilliardart.com, along with a lot of my art and paintings.
You open this
And
book?
can't wait to see you there. And you can find us on Facebook, Instagram too, under Honey Hilliard Artist. And I look forward to meeting you. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's
This
color.
one's hard.
Oh, and there are free downloads of coloring pages, which should be really
This one's
fun,
hard.
on the website honeyhilliardart.com. So download some color pages if you're an adult or for your children, and have fun with it. Colored pencils work really well with these illustrations. Thanks, guys. Bye.
You want to open this book?
Mm-hmm.
Open it.